So hello everyone, in this audio class we will discuss the 20 most important questions from the chapter Climate of India from the book Physical Geography of India NCERT. These questions and answer will be very much important for your upcoming KVS and NVS geography interview PGT level. So let's get started with the question number 1. How do you distinguish weather from climate? So weather is the momentary state of the atmosphere. For example, today is rain, whereas climate is the average weather condition over a long period, typically 50 years or 30 to 35 years. Next question, why is India's climate called monsoonal? So because it is defined by the seasonal reversal of winds. In summer, winds blow from sea to land. In winter, they reverse. Next question, how does the Himalayas act as a climatic barrier? So they block cold winds from Central Asia from entering India and trap the monsoon winds, forcing them to shed moisture within the subcontinent. Next question, what is the unity and diversity of Indian climate? So unity, monsoon regime. Diversity, regional variations, like Rajasthan there is 55 degrees Celsius. At the same time in Leh the temperature is minus 45 degrees Celsius. Next question, how does latitude influence India's climate? So the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle. South India is tropical or hot and North India is subtropical or temperate. Next question, what is the role of ITCZ in monsoon? So it is the thermal equator where trade winds converge. This northward shift in summer pulls the monsoon winds into India. Next question, question number 7, explain the Coriolis force in simple terms. So it is the force caused by the earth's rotation that deflects wind to the right in the northern hemisphere, shaping the southwest monsoon. Next question, what causes a break in the monsoon? So it occurs when the monsoon trough moves north or winds blow parallel to the coast, causing a dry spell for a week or more. Next question, why do coastal areas have moderate climate? So due to the moderating influence of the sea, land heats and cools faster than water, keeping coastal temperature stable year round. Next question, how does altitude affect temperature in India? So normal lapse rate applies, temperature decreases by 6.5 degrees Celsius per 1000 meter rise. That's why Darjeeling is cooler than the plains. Next question, what is the significance of retreating monsoon? So October-November marks the transition. Skies clear and temperature rise, the October heat, before cooling begins. Next question, how does El Nino impact Indian monsoon? So it increases sea surface temperatures in the Pacific, which weakens the pressure gradient, often leading to a deficit in Indian rainfall. Next question, explain the October heat. So the combination of high temperature and high humidity during the retreating monsoon makes the weather very oppressive. Next question, why does Monsoon receive the highest rainfall? So the funnel shaped relief of Khasi Hills traps the moisture laden monsoon winds, forcing massive orographic rainfall. Next question, how do western cyclonic disturbances impact winter? So they originate in the Mediterranean, travel eastward and bring much needed winter rainfall to northwest India. This is very much crucial for Rabi crops. Next question, define the hot weather season in India. So from March to May, the sun moves northward. High temperatures 30 to 45 degrees Celsius are common in North India, causing localized low winds. Next question, what is the role of jet streams? So the subtropical westerly jet stream keeps the monsoon winds in the southern position, and its withdrawal triggers the onset of monsoon. Next question, how does global warming affect the monsoon? So increased greenhouse gas emissions lead to unpredictable rainfall patterns, causing erratic floods and prolonged droughts. Next question, why is agricultural prosperity tied to the monsoon? So 64% of India relies on agriculture. A timely, well-distributed monsoon ensures food security. Variability causes economic distress. Next question, if you are teaching this, how do you explain orographic rainfall? So I'd use the Western Ghat example. Moisture winds hit the windward side, rise, cool and rain. The leeward side remains a rain shadow. So thanks for listening. Keep listening for further audio classes. Thank you.